In this video, I want to give a quick introduction to the draft and deviation analysis. So I've taken my rollback bar and I've rolled it up past the fillet. And I want to do a draft analysis first. I'm going to select the draft analysis. I'll expand the feature tree. I'm going to tell it the direction of pull is the top plane. I'll add 1 degree of draft and turn on the face classification. And here we see the color coding. Anything yellow needs draft added or it will not work well in an injection molding environment. So if we look around here or a casting environment, it's not bad. These straddle faces should be fixed, but we can add the full round fillet, which we will, to correct them, or we could add a mold parting line roughly in the middle of this, or top edge or bottom edge to correct that. So I'm going to say OK at this point, then I'm going to roll the bar down and add the fillet. We'll just turn the draft analysis off and back on again. Re-pull it towards the top plane with 1 degree. And as expected, not much has changed. This will come out of the mold nice. Obviously the bottom half would pull the other way so it wouldn't be red. If I flip the direction, it just changes the colors. So the draft analysis looked good. There's no yellow showing. Unless we really zoom in on the edge, there might be a hint of yellow. So that looks good. The next thing I want to do, I'll shut the draft analysis off. So I want to do a deviation analysis. So I'll turn on the deviation analysis. And what we're looking at is an edge. So I'll select this edge here. And this is the number of sample points. So I'll leave it low for now and I'll tell it to calculate. So if we look at this, a couple of things happen. Is over here we get a color chart of our deviation to show us how much it's deviate. So we can look at all these values as well. And if I turn this up so I get more sample points, it'll be more accurate, but it'll take more time. So again, I can see all the deviation analysis just based quickly on color. It shows my max and min deviation over here as well as the average. And if I crank it right up, recalculate, again, we have a lot more deviation points. So we'll close that. Let's go back to prior fillet and do it again. So we'll do the deviation analysis, select this edge, tell it to calculate, and we can see the difference here in deviation.